As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, I can't provide you with the current top 10 app development companies in India, as the rankings may have changed. Hello everyone, I'm Durlav Sakia. I bring 6 years of expertise in the field of digital marketing, having worked as a professional digital marketing expert for both digital marketing and IT companies. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, I can't provide you with the current top 10 app development companies in India, as the rankings may have changed. However, I can suggest some well-known app development companies in India that were reputable at that time. Business inquiry now. +919864855058. +919864170343. 1. Infosys. 2. Tata Consultancy Services TCS. 3. Wipro. 4. HCL Technologies. 5. Tech Mahindra. 6. Mindtree. 7. Zensar Technologies. 8. Mphasis. 9. Quitech. 10. AlgoWorks. Please note that the rankings in the list may have evolved since then, and it's important to conduct up-to-date research to find the best app development company for your specific project needs. I'm unable to provide real-time information with specific addresses and website links for Indian IT companies, as my knowledge is based on data available up to September 2021, and this information can change frequently. However, I can list the names of some prominent Indian IT companies. You can easily find their official addresses and website links by conducting an online search. Business inquiry now. +919864855058. +919864170343. 1. Tata Consultancy Services TCS. 2. Infosys. 3. Wipro. 4. HCL Technologies. 5. Tech Mahindra. 6. Cognizant India. 7. Accenture India. 8. Capgemini India. 9. Mindtree. 10. Larsen & Toubro Infotech Ltd. 11. Mphasis. 12. Hexaware Technologies. 13. Zensar Technologies. 14. Persistent Systems. 15. L&T Technology Services LTTS. 16. Cyient. 17. NIIT Technologies. 18. Virtusa. 19. Sonata Software. 20. Rolta India. 21. Birlasoft. 22. Happiest Minds Technologies. 23. 3i Infotech. 24. KPIT Technologies. 25. Polaris Consulting and Services Ltd. These companies have a significant presence in the Indian IT industry, but I recommend visiting their official websites or conducting an online search for their current addresses and website links for the most up-to-date information. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, some of the top Indian IT companies were: 1. Tata Consultancy Services TCS. 2. Infosys. 3. Wipro. 4. HCL Technologies. 5. Tech Mahindra. 6. Cognizant India Cognizant Technology Solutions India PVT Ltd. 7. Accenture India. 8. Capgemini India. 9. Mindtree. 10. Larsen & Toubro Infotech Ltd. Please note that the rankings in the list of top IT companies can change over time, so it's a good idea to refer to the latest industry reports or news for the most up-to-date information on the top IT companies in India. I don't have access to real-time data, and my knowledge is based on information available up to September 2021. Therefore, I can't provide you with a current list of the top 50 digital marketing companies in India. However, I can suggest some well-known digital marketing agencies that were prominent at that time. Please verify their current rankings and status by conducting online research. Business inquiry now. +919864855058. +919864170343. 1. WebChutney. 2. WhatConsult. 3. Iprospect India. 4. Performix India. 5. Foxymoron. 6. SocialBeat. 7. BC Webwise. 8. Pinstorm. 9. Mirum India. 10. Athenos Digital Marketing. 11. Interactive Avenues. 12. Resultrix. 13. GoZoop. 14. AdSyndicate. 15. Langur. 16. Indigo Consulting. 17. AdGlobal 360. 18. Blogworks. 19. TechShoe. 20. Blink Digital. 21. Rapindia. 22. Dentsu WebChutney. 23. WhatConsult. 24. Adlift. 25. WhatConsult. 26. Shootida. 27. Performix, Convonix. 28. InnoServe Digital. 29. Wind Chimes Communications. 30. Agnity Digital Services. 31. Foxy Moran. 32. Every Media. 33. GoZoop. 34. Fruit Bowl Digital. 35. Watt Consult. 36. Resultrix. 37. The Minimalist. 38. iGenero. 39. Tech Magnate. 40. O3MDM. 41. Athenos Digital Marketing. 42. White Rivers Media. 43. Social Beat. 44. Ad Syndicate. 45. Postbox Communications. 46. Tonic Media. 47. LIQVD Asia. 48. Mullenlow Lintas Groups Linteractive. 49. BuzzValve. 50. Fruit Bowl Digital. Please keep in mind that the digital marketing industry is dynamic, and rankings can change over time as new agencies emerge and existing ones evolve. It's a good idea to research the most current information when looking for the top digital marketing companies in India.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।